Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change the install location for Google Play Games for PC. First, install Google Play Games normally. Let it finish installing on the C drive. When it is done, close the program fully. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now open File Explorer and go to the place where Google Play Games is installed. This is usually in the Program Files folder. When you open that folder, look at the address bar at the top of File Explorer. Click once in that bar. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste this path into a notepad file because you will need it later when creating the symbolic link. Next, right-click the Google Play Games folder and choose Copy. Then go to the drive where you want to move it, for example the D drive. Paste the folder there and let it finish copying. When the copy is done, open the new folder location. Again, click on the address bar at the top. The path of the new folder will appear. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Paste the second path in Notepad as well. Now that you have both paths saved, return to the C drive and delete the original Google Play Games folder. Next, open the Start menu and search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type mklink/d. Then paste the old C drive folder path in quotes. After that, press space and paste the new folder path also in quotes. Press Enter. Windows will create the symbolic link right away. Once this is done, you can open Google Play Games normally. It will run from the new drive even though Windows still treats the folder as if it is on the C drive. Thanks for watching.